Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a body. I did record this video while I was in Discord, but it didn't record my voice, so I'm voicing over it. So my character may move on the screen at different times, but this is a voiceover over it. So, for the tutorial, you're going to start by drawing a circle, and then you're gonna draw a rectangular shape for the neck, another rectangular shape for like the shoulders, and then like a box shape for the chest, and then like another box shape for like the waist. Then it's gonna be like a trapezoid shape for the hips and like a triangular shape underneath. Two rectangular shapes for the legs, or like the thighs of the legs, and then like a trapezoid and like a somewhat rectangular shape for the other leg, for like the lower part of the legs. The feet are like triangular shapes and rectangular shapes put together, sort of. I'm not sure exactly how to explain it. And then like the same method for the legs is for the arms too. I don't really know. Also, if you'd like to join my Discord, I'll have that link in the description, or if you click onto...
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.